Welcome to this session. This is the third session overall on fast calculation and Vedic and second session on Vedic by me Krishna Bajoria in association with Cat King. So if you have not watched the previous videos, please go and watch them. Let's get started. So today's class is on approximation, right? It's an interesting class on approximation. See, in CAT, whenever you are given a hefty calculation, CAT never expects you to calculate much, right? CAT is not expecting you to just mug up formulas or do hefty calculations. They don't expect that. But what they do expect is that you are doing smart calculations and hence approximations. Like I have to calculate 1.3 to the power 4. In the previous video of squares, I have told you how to calculate squares. So I can write it as 1.3 square into 1.3 square. What is 1.3 13 square? 169. This becomes 1.69 into 1.69. I can approximate this to 1.7. I can approximate this to 1.7. This becomes 1.7 square. What is 17 square? 289. Hence your answer for this part, not into 40, for this part is 2.89. Or again I can approximate it to 2.9. Now what I have done, I have taken higher approximation, correct? That I have approximated 1.69 to 1.7. I have approximated 2.89 to 2.9. Hence, I'll get the answer which is a little higher than the actual answer. Okay. So 2.9 into 40. What's the answer, guys? So simply 29 into 4. Correct. Answer is simply 29 into 4. So what is 30 into 4? 120. 120 minus 4. Answer is 126. As simple as that. Correct. Wow, 120 minus 4, answer is 160. As simple as that. That is your answer. Answer should be slightly less than the original answer. This is how you use approximations in CAD. Please make sure you learn all these things because these things are really simple and you should apply this in real mocks and in real CAD as well because then only it will be helpful. These things will help you in DI, in quant, everywhere this will help you. Just make a habit of it. Next question. 60 into 1.05 to the power 4. Pause the video and try it out, guys. Now I hope you will do it. You will do it now. Again, simply break this. Please pause the video. Okay, so this will be 1.05 square into 1.05 square, correct? So what is ending? This is ending in 5. 5 square is 25. 10 into 11 is 110. This is 1.1025 into 1.1025, correct? This is nothing but 1. I can approximate it to 1.1. This is 1.1 square. What is 11 square? 121. Answer is 1.21. Or as an approximation, I can say 1.2. Multiply this by 60. Answer is 72. So again, I've used approximations to get this answer and see how easily by approximation, minimal calculation, I've got this answer. And this is what CAT expect, guys. If the options are something, say the options are something like this: 72.9, 52.9, 82.9, 100.9. What's your answer? 72.9. You got it, right? This is how you use approximations. If the options are too close, like 72.9, 72.8, 72.5, then you cannot use approximation, obviously. But CAT won't do this because they don't want to make you a calculator. They want you to be a smart player. Okay, let's move to the next question. And guys, please start noting these formulas. It will help you a lot. Okay. Bacteria grows at a rate of 10% for 8 years. Find the factor of multiplication. Fine. So it grows at a rate of 10% for 8 years, correct? Say it was 100. It grows at a rate of 10%. It became 110. Again, it grows at a rate of 10%, right? And it became 121 and so on. So it is every time it is getting multiplied by a factor of 1.1, guys. Obviously 100 into 1.1 this into 1.1 this, right? So what's the factor of multiplication? 1.1 to the power 8. That is what they are asking you to calculate. There are two methods to calculate the table of 11. One method is Pascal triangle. What is it? Write 1 here, right? Write 1 on either of the ends. Extremes, there always will be 1, correct? In the middle, 1 plus 1, 2. Keep adding. 1 plus 1, 2. Then again 1. 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Keep adding. And in the end again 1. In the end 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. And in the end there will be 1. Again 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 4, 10, right? 6 plus 4, 10, right? 4 plus 1, 5. But 10 is not a digit. That means carry over. So how you will do it? 1 this will be given as a carryover, guys. Correct. So this becomes 6. Correct. So 1 given to this as a carryover and then given to this. So 1 6. So 1 was also given to this. So 1. And this is now 0 because I gave this one to this, I gave this one to this, and this remains 0. Correct. 5 and 1. Again what? 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 and so on. I hope you got the idea, right? 11 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You got the idea. So this is how you can solve this question. One method, but if there are huge powers, then you cannot use this method, right? If there are huge powers of 11. So how can you calculate 1.1 to the power 8? Again use squares. Break it. Use approximation. This is 1.1 square into 1.1 square into 1.1 square into 1.1 square, correct? What is 11 square? 121. So this is 1.21, or I can also write it as 1.2, correct? This is also 1.2, so this becomes 1.2 square into this also becomes 1.2 square. What is 1.2 square? 1.44, right? Into 1.44, that is 1.44 square. I can approximate it to 1.45 square. Why am I approximating, guys? Because ending in 5 is easy to calculate. What is 5 square? 25. What is 14 into 15? 210. So your answer is 2.1025, or by approximation answer is 2.1. So what is the factor of multiplication? Factor of multiplication is 2.1. I hope this is clear to you, right? Let's move to the next question. Yeah, in the next video, that is. This video I'll end it here on approximation. Now we'll head to the next video. And next video is on mixed fraction. Please do watch it. Thank you.